You could become a millionaire with cryptocurrency. The problem is, guys, you are more likely to join a program, to listen to someone on YouTube, to find advice from people that truly don't care if you make money. That's the issue. On this channel, what we bring to you is real projects, real people that have invested and spent time into projects to tell you that they are the ones to get involved in. Okay, if a brand new project opened up tomorrow and we saw it and we decided this is not for anybody, this is not going to make money, we wouldn't review it just for views. That's not what we do. We only review projects that are actually going to help people. For example, today we're going to be reviewing Opportunity Crypto, where you don't just invest into this project, you invest into leaders in the crypto space that will help you with investments inside of cryptocurrency. Before we get into there, I want to give you this disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for education purposes only. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So guys, it's opportunitycrypto.net. Now, the reason I really like this project is because this is not just a project to get involved with to make lots of money. Here's the idea that they give to all investors, okay? The opportunity to be part of a community of people who have been in the crypto world for a long time, where they can finally decide through voting on which asset to invest in and what kind of strategies to use. At the same time, they would like to support emerging startups and green and eco-sustainable projects by giving them visibility and the opportunity to be chosen from any form of financing. The projects will be filtered initially through an in-depth study. Those will then pass through the first phase, which will be proposed in our social channels. And once the community itself analyzes the results of the study, a vote will be taken. In the way, we will have a completely decentralized governance that decides where to direct the investment. If that is confusing for you, then guys, it's really that simple. Get involved with this project. They will then take votes around what investment companies are out, what crypto startups are coming up, and allow you to get involved with the ones that all got voted yes. Now, I'm not saying that when they do their votes between all these crypto masters, there might be projects that are really good that get voted no. But here's a tip. I would rather be safe when investing into cryptocurrency than try and get every single one that's going to blow up and maybe lose a lot of money. Okay, I'd rather just have a safe bet, and that's what you're getting with Opportunity Crypto. So the name of their token is OPYx, as issued utility token on the Binance chain, and that's BSC. Okay, the token model has the maximum token supply of 21 million. All tokens were minted at the start of the project. A number of tokens corresponding to 10% of the maximum supply was immediately assigned to Opportunity. Here's a practical example. You have your votes. The community votes to buy Bitcoin. Okay, the team uses 25% of the tokens designated for the purchase to buy the asset. After a while, the Bitcoin price will go up 40%, generating a profit. This now increases the value, so the community, always through voting, decides that the Bitcoin asset is to be sold now. The team sells the Bitcoin in possession and buys back the OPYx token in order to increase the value of the token itself. It's an incredible ecosystem. So the max availability is 21 million. The community distributed in 5 years is 15 million. Token designated for asset purchase will be taken up to a maximum of 25% of the annual circulating supply. So you got the development 750,000, the marketing 750,000, the team 1.05 mil, and the token for asset buy-in 3.4 thousand. Now, let's make great work together, okay? So if you have a look on pinksale, which we'll jump to right now, you can see there is 100% an opportunity here to get involved with this DAO project like no other at a time where it is so early. The pre-sale is literally about to start in 1 day, 23 hours, that you could make some serious impact, okay? The holder will choose the governance. We've already built the ecosystem to support the DAO, so you're going to get your own choice, okay? Get involved right now and have a look on pinksale. Now, on their Twitter, it actually is at Opportu, so OPPORTU 105209111. Okay, they are verified. That is the official Twitter. Only use official links. Got 826 followers, and you can see as we go down, they've got some really cool things coming out of their tweets. A little bit of a Halloween gimmick here, all right, with the pink sale going on for the launch pad, the ChatGPT cheat sheet, which is super, super cool. Guys, they put a lot of value on here, so make sure you give them a follow. In the comments, let them know you are from the channel. We sent you there, and give us a bit of a shout out on there, please. But guys, Opportunity Crypto, I really, really like it, all right? It's not fully developed into massive spaces yet, so it's a really good time to get involved with. But everything is built there. The infrastructure is there. And the idea that there is going to be this governance of people inside of the community, allowing you to dictate where your crypto is spent, what investments are spent, with an overriding rule of you only get involved into safe projects. That is something that I would allow my family to get involved with. So this is a big thumbs up from me. What I need you to do, guys, hit the links down below. Make sure you only use the official links for everything we show on this channel. But hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified about the next project, because I've already found it and I'm about to make a video on it. And I will see you on the next video.